Ladies and gentlemen, we are back at it again with a little bit more IAE. If y'all could do me a favor and like, follow, and share. And please stop complaining about the frames per second. I get it. I understand. I cannot control that. And trust me, I promise you, it's not my computer. Please do a different dance this time. Oh my lord. I have like 2 dances in my repertoire, apparently. And this is my, I mean in real life I only have like this dance in my repertoire, so, you know, I'm not really complaining too much, but let's get it with Anvil. Yeah. Alright. So we'll start off with the terrapin. Because who doesn't like a good turtle? Turtle. Good. This is the terrapin. I believe it's troop transport. I stand corrected. It's Pathfinder. It's an exploration ship. There you go.
Yeah, I'm about ready too. Let's go.
I don't do much with the terrapin. I actually don't even own a terrapin. That big thing right there is my baby. And don't ask me to say it, because apparently I never pronounce it correctly. I call it the carrick. Apparently that's not how you're supposed to say it. But here's the arrow. Oh my lord, my screen is gonna keep doing this crap. Okay. Don't know why it does that. Here's the arrow. Nice little light fighter. Beautiful little thing. Here's another variant. I'm sorry, this is the Gladiator. Not a variant to the arrow. My mistake. I'm sorry. We've been very busy on Thanksgiving, so I'm a little discombobulated right now. This is a bomber. And we'll go check out my little CFR, Crash Fire Rescue.